What makes horror Foley sound so unnerving? Imagine hearing a sound that feels so real yet so strange that it makes your skin crawl. That's the power of Foley art in horror movies. Foley artists use everyday objects to create sounds that make scenes more believable. But in horror, they do more than just mimic reality. They twist and distort sounds to make them unsettling. For example, a bone-breaking noise might come from crunching vegetables like celery or cabbage. Layering different sounds like snapping sticks or twisting leaves makes the effect more brutal and disturbing. Pitch manipulation is a big part of what makes these sounds unnerving. Lowering the pitch can make a sound feel heavy and threatening. Raising it suddenly can startle viewers and make them jump. Foley artists often combine these pitch shifts with dissonant sounds that clash unexpectedly. This creates a feeling of discomfort and tension. Silence is also used carefully. Pausing before a loud, frightening noise builds suspense and makes the impact even stronger when it finally hits. Sound designers also use digital tools to create noises that can't be made with real objects. These synthetic sounds add an eerie, otherworldly quality to scenes. When layered with real Foley effects, they produce a unique texture that heightens the horror mood. Every sound is crafted with precision. Foley artists work closely with sound designers to match each noise to the action on screen. They avoid generic sounds by customizing each effect to fit the scene perfectly. All these techniques combine to make horror Foley sounds deeply unsettling. They blend familiar noises with creative manipulation, like pitch shifts, layering, and silence, to evoke fear and shock. Using simple objects to mimic gruesome sounds, then enhancing them digitally, creates an auditory experience that can make viewers feel genuinely uneasy. It's this careful craft that turns ordinary sounds into tools of terror, making horror movies more intense and memorable.